Contango refers to the situation in which the price of a futures contract exceeds the spot price of a commodity, product, or financial asset. In other words, investors are willing to pay more for an asset in the future. This results in an upward sloping forward price curve. Contango happens mainly because transportation and storage costs are accounted for, unearned interest is recognized, and investors' expectations are incorporated into futures prices. The difference between the futures price and the spot price is called cost of carry. The opposite of Contango is backwardation. This is spot or cash prices remaining higher than futures prices. This can happen when there is a benefit to owning the asset today versus doing so in the future. Investors who understand Contango and backwardation will be able to make better trading decisions. They will be also able to spot speculative bubbles. And when creating financial models, the futures curve can be used as price inputs.